Okay guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we're gonna learn how to make some volatile flip fluid effects in today's video. We're gonna be using the point velocity node, and so so what you're gonna want to do is drop down a geo node, dive in, drop down a sphere, drop down a transform, set the transform to a Y on the 2 because we're just gonna bring this up a bit. Then drop down a point velocity, but before the point velocity, drop down a points from volume. Make that visible, and so obviously this isn't enough points. We need to get like a lot of points, so set the point separation to 0.05, maybe 0.2025, like that. Then set the point velocity, make it visible. Initialization set to value, and then just turn this up a bit, and if you turn on this little thing here, you'll see that the lines are where the velocity is pushing the ball. So you should whack a null at the end of that as well. Null, make that visible. And so this is just a quick showing how to use point velocity. So if you go to particle fluids, flip fluid from object, on the flip fluid object, go to initial data, input type, particle field, just click play. We don't have a ground plane yet, so it should just fall off, but like, yeah, you've got some velocity going there. So the lines are wherever the lines are going, like they're going that way. It's like you know, like a rocket ship. These are like the little rocket ship trails, and so if they're going that way, then that's where it's going. Okay, if that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. Okay, on the autodop, yeah, on the autodop network, go to collisions and then drop down a ground plane. And so now if you click play, you should, yes, banging. And so if you come back to the dot network, click L to lay it out, and just turn up that particle separation, or I guess turn down. Boom, that is fucking beautiful. I love it. And obviously if you want to render that out, you're gonna have to go to the Geo1 fluid, particle fluid surface. Ideally, if you're actually gonna go on the path of rendering this out, you would file cache that out, and then yeah, that is splendid. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. It's just a quick one. I've got work at a warehouse in about an hour, so if you could drop a like and subscribe, maybe you could help me out a step towards doing this full time. And yeah, cheers, thank you, lots of love, peace.